Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you just how easy it is to cook your favourite air fryer frozen roast potatoes. It's just so easy and you'll be amazed by how crispy they are and how much more delicious they are compared to cooking them in the oven. As well as this recipe, we have more than 1,000 recipes for you to choose from over at RecipeThis.com with a common theme of cooked with kitchen gadgets. We have air fryer recipes, instant pot recipes, slow cooker recipes, soup maker recipes, bread machine recipes and many others. We can't wait to see you over there to check out the rest of our collection. So this is just a cheapo bag of frozen roast potatoes that we are going to air fry. I would have preferred Aunt Bessie's, but I couldn't actually get anything because it was during lockdown when the freezers are pretty much bare. So rip open your bag. We're aiming to put all of them in the air fry basket. Let's just see how well they all fit. Yep, perfect size fit. So now we just need to get on and get going. So now it's time to set the time and temperature. We're going for 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and we're going with a cook time of 15 minutes. And we've beat. Oh wow. These roast potatoes look absolutely delicious, but I may point out they're very anemic like. So even though they're perfectly cooked, if you want them with a bit more colour to them, then it's time now to add some extra virgin olive oil cooking spray. So just give them a good load of spray on the top, and this will help give them that lovely crispiness that you associate with roast potatoes. And then place them back in. And now we are upping the temperature because it's all about the crisping to 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, and the cook time to 4 minutes. And we've beat. So wow, aren't they fantastic? They are roast potatoes like you can imagine having on your traditional Sunday dinner. You know, they're quick, you're just throwing them in the air fryer and you've just got perfect roasties. And of course you could cook them for longer if you want more of a crisp, but I think they're lovely like this. And they're so fluffy in the inside too, they're just fantastic. So next time you're having a roast Sunday dinner, do a batch of these. You don't have to fill the air fryer because it might just be 2 people. You can even cook them at the same time as air fryer frozen Yorkshire puddings. Actually, talking about frozen Yorkshire puddings, do check our YouTube channel because we also have a video for frozen air fryer Yorkies too. So these are the frozen roast potatoes that we've just cooked in the air fryer. As you can tell, they fit perfectly in the fork. I like to do this with them because then you can see how fluffy they are in the middle and they are perfectly cooked. And I often do this while they're in the air fryer basket before I increase the temperature because I want to check on crispiness and make sure they're lovely yummy like these ones are here. So if you don't like the idea of peeling and chopping all your roast potatoes, just think that you can buy a bag of frozen roast potatoes from the supermarket, load them into the air fryer, and then they're perfect for your Sunday dinners. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.